In this video, let's see how to add one or more documents to multiple programs at one time. Click on the Programs tab in the navigation bar. Select the checkbox next to the program name to select the program. Or click the top checkbox to select all programs. Click on the Bulk Update Settings button. Select Enroll Form from the Program Options menu. Toggle the switch next to Required Documents to enable it. Toggle the switch next to eSignature Documents to enable it. Expand the Required Documents section by clicking on it. Choose the documents you want to add from the Required Documents drop-down menu. You can select as many documents from the list as you want. Expand the eSignature Documents section in the form. Choose the documents you want to add from the eSignature Documents drop-down menu. Click the Update button at the bottom of the form to save the changes. Confirm the bulk update by clicking the Update button in the warning modal.